In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Gmail account. We often find ourselves reevaluating our digital presence and whether it's for privacy concerns or simply cutting down on online clutter. Knowing how to manage our accounts is crucial. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of deleting a Gmail account. First, head over to your Gmail inbox. This is the starting point for managing your account settings. Open your web browser and make sure you're logged in to the Gmail account you wish to delete. Once you're there, you'll want to find your way to the account management section. Look for your profile icon or your initial in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Manage Your Google Account. Now within the account management section, focus your attention on the navigation menu. You'll find several tabs dedicated to different aspects of your account. Click on the one labeled Data and Privacy. This section is where you can control how your personal data is used and manage your privacy settings. Once in the Data and Privacy tab, scroll down until you find a section called More Options. This might require a bit of scrolling, so take your time and be thorough. It's important to be careful at this stage, since there are many settings that could affect your account permanently if changed inadvertently. Under More Options, there will be an option that says Delete Your Google Account. Click on this to proceed. Google will then ask you to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that it is indeed you making this significant change. So, enter your password when prompted. Once you've authenticated yourself, you'll be presented with some important details about what deleting your account entails. It's essential to read through this information carefully, as deleting your Google account is irreversible and will affect many services associated with your account, including Gmail, Google Drive, and any other linked services. After you've reviewed and understood the implications, you'll see a checklist of items and warnings on the page. You'll need to mark a check on the confirmation box, acknowledging that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. This step underscores the importance of being sure of your decision. Finally, click the Delete Account button to complete the process, and just like that, your Gmail account will be deleted. It's a straightforward process, but one that should be approached with care. Make sure to back up any important data or emails before going through with the deletion. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.